In this video, I'm going to tell you why do you lose your motivation, and there are basically three major reasons because of which you are losing your motivation. And even if you have goals, desires and dreams and you want to achieve it, sometimes you are doing some techniques, some practices, believing in the law of attraction, believing in something from time to time, but there are these three reasons that you are following or make them your habit consciously, unconsciously, of course unconsciously, because nobody want to make these things their habit permanently or in a conscious mind. But these three regions are lowering your motivation, and when it's lowering your motivation, when it's you are losing your motivation, you are not able to work and focus and practice consistently so that you can move towards your goals, desires and dreams, and you can actually achieve them. So in this video you will get the clarity and you will stop doing them, and I'll tell you what you need to focus and do instead of this, so that your motivation stay high, your manifestation goes higher, and that's how you will stay motivated and stay awesome. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And so many of you are asking the same question like, AJ, I know, but I'm losing my motivation. How can I stay motivated all the time? How can I stay motivated and positive and inspired so that I should manifest my dream? And if you have requested for this video, do let me know in the comment section. These are the three major reasons that you are not able to stay motivated. And the first one is lack of confidence, lack of faith, lack of belief. Yes, many of you say that, yes, I believe in the law of attraction, I believe in the universe. But even if you are believing in the law of attraction, even if you are believing in the universe, but if you are not believing that you can achieve that dream or that desire or that goals that you have, then it's not going to work. That is the key. So many of you believe in the universe, believe in God, believe in the law of attraction, but not believing in yourself that you can actually achieve that goal, that desire. You can go forward and make it happen in your life. If you don't believe that you can do it, then how can you stay motivated? So if you are manifesting something, if you are trying something, if you are going for something, but if you are not believing that you can achieve it, then there is no point of trying. Why are you wasting your time? My friend, you have to be very clear with yourself that if you are not able to believe and you are not at all believing that you can achieve it, then stop trying, stop wasting your time, and shift your focus to some other goals or other desires where you actually believe. Or if your belief is low or shaking, then you should do some techniques or processes that I've shared before in our channel, like affirmation, visualization and other techniques you can do so that you can strengthen your belief. If your belief is weak or not very strong, from time to time, it's okay and you can start working in strengthening the belief. But if you don't have confidence at all, if you don't have this belief at all that you can achieve it, then either stop working on that dream, or if you are going to work in that dream, if you are going to manifest it, if you really want to achieve it, then first you have to believe. That is why it is said, whatever a man can conceive and believe, he or she can achieve. So that is why you need to, first thing you have to have is belief. And belief never comes from after trying or doing. It's something first. Like for example, you are alive and you are alive, and there are things in front of you, like your mobile, like the table or something in front of you, that is not alive. Those things are dead. Like there is no reason you can say now you are alive means then you have the possibility. Same way, if you desire something, you have to believe that you can achieve it and have that confidence in yourself. Now the second reason is lack of focus. Yes, lack of focus. So many of you have goals, desires and dreams, but you are not focusing on your goals. And when you are not focusing on your goal and that desire or that dream, means your focus is scattered. And that is why I have shared that focus exercise with all of you. And if you are yet to check the focus exercise, you must check here. Check this link and do the focus exercise, and you will know how important it is for you to focus. And all the successful people, they always said, what is the number one secret to success? Focus, because wherever your focus goes, that's where your attention goes, that's where your energy flows, and that's what you manifest. So many of you are not motivated because if you think about your dreams or goals, you think about it or you focus on it for a while, and rest of the day you are focusing on what you don't want. Remember this, all the time you are focused, but all the time, if you are not focusing on what you want or what you desire or what you want to manifest, then you are focusing on what you don't want, what you don't desire, or you are focusing on hundreds of things that are of no value or useless or what you don't want. In the 24 hours of the day, you have to focus on two kind of things. One, which are the essential thing for being alive and living life, like for example, your physical health, your mental health, your food, your taking all the necessary things, speaking to your family, or spending time with your loved ones. All those things, one part, which are absolutely essential to live this life. And then rest of the time, you should be focusing on your goals, desires, dreams, what you want, what you are achieving, what you want to create. But what most of the time people do, people are not even focusing any of these two most important things well, and they are focusing on unnecessary things, what is going around, who is doing what is going on. And when you focused on those things, you will never get the motivation. Remember, motivation, it's the motive in action. You need to understand that, the motive in action. So what is the motive? Your goals, the first thing. Your motive means the desire. What is that thing, that the intention inside? And if you're not focused on that motive, how can you take action? How can you do something? Where you get the motivation? That's where we go to the third point, lack of direction or lack of execution. Yes, that's when motivation, motive in action means, here the action part means you should be doing something in the direction of your goals, desires and dreams and manifestation. You have to do something. It's not always necessarily the physical work. Even focusing on your dreams means you are taking action towards them. Sometimes when you do mental preparation, when you do emotional preparation, and when you do physical action, everything is action. So when you are doing affirmation or gratitude or practicing or writing, those are also action. So you need to keep doing something on a daily basis so that you will stay in the direction, you will be taking action, you will be moving forward. That's when your motive and action will be aligned, and that's when you will be having motivation. If you are not motivated, if you didn't have that energy to go forward and do things, then no matter how many desires you have, no matter how much you believe in God and the universe or the higher power, you are not going to achieve it. And this is one thing I used to think when I was a kid. So many people are praying to God, but why they don't have an abundant life or a happy life or a successful life? And then I get to understand that they are doing all these things, but they lack in the confidence or the faith and the belief, both in the higher power and in themselves, and most importantly in themselves, that yes, they can achieve it. Yes, that higher power can help them. And then they are not focused on what they desire. They are asking or thinking about random things all through the day. And then the third one is, they are not taking action or direction, following a direction towards their dreams. It is said, the journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. So every single day you have to keep taking a step towards your dreams. It can be a mental state, it can be an emotional state, it can be a physical state. Depending upon the situation, you have to take one step every single day forward. That's when you stay motivated, that's when you stay pumped up, that's when you start creating so much of energy in you. You feel so good, you feel so excited, you stay so motivated that the universe start putting all the right people in front of you, start getting right things, right opportunities, right resources, and then you will see that manifestation start happening, and you go from one manifestation to another manifestation to another manifestation. My friend, all of you have this energy and the power to achieve your dreams. And to achieve your dreams, to create your magical life, create your awesome life, you need to stay motivated every single day. And you can do it. I know that you can do it. And you also know that you can do it. Only thing, if you are not motivated so far, you were making this mistake. Today is the day when you have to understand it, when you have to stop these three things, and then you set yourself in the path of motivation. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are, because you are going to change your life from here. If you are ready, write in the comment section that yes, 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 I'm ready, I'm always motivated, and I'm manifesting my dream. And if you like this video, if this video has helped you and inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. If you want to learn more tools, techniques, and processes, you can join my powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you have to stay motivated all the time, because when you stay motivated, you stay awesome. Thank you.